Aloha everybody and welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. Today we are looking at the history and significance of Spam Musubi in Hawaii. Spam Musubi is a snack and lunch composed of slices of grilled spam sandwiched in between a block of rice and wrapped together with nori. It's in the tradition of Japanese onigiri. You can find them in grocery stores, convenience stores, and food trucks throughout the islands. The history of Spam Musubi is rooted in the cultural fusion that emerged in Hawaii during and after World War II, bringing together Japanese culinary tradition and American military rations. The Japanese roots involve the concept of musubi coming from onigiri, which are rice balls that originated in Japan centuries ago. Early versions of these portable compressed rice balls wrapped in seaweed or nori were a practical food for travelers and workers. Japanese immigrants brought these culinary traditions with them to Hawaii. Here they adapted the dish to incorporate locally available ingredients. During World War II, Spam, a canned processed lunch meat, was a staple for American soldiers stationed in the Pacific due to its long shelf life and availability. Because fresh meat was scarce during wartime rationing and limited shipments, the military Spam rations became widely integrated into the local Hawaiian diet. As military Spam was adopted into the local cuisine, it was used to create many new dishes, much like how budai jigai, army stew, was created in Korea. As locals grew accustomed to Spam, Japanese Americans began combining it with their traditional onigiri. This fusion created the iconic snack we know today, a slice of grilled Spam on a block of rice wrapped in nori. While the exact origin is murky, Japanese American women in Hawaii are widely credited with inventing the modern Spam Musubi. Barbara Funamura from Kauai. Funamura began selling her musubis in the 80s, which were initially triangular, but eventually took on the rectangular shape we see today. Mitsuko Kaneshiro in Honolulu also sold homemade musubi from her shop in the early 1980s. Some accounts suggest similar dishes were made in Japanese American internment camps during the war, using seasoned Spam and rice cooked in a pan. The affordable, portable snack became a staple in school lunchboxes, family gatherings, and picnics. Today it's found everywhere in Hawaii, from high-end restaurants to convenience stores. To honor the snack's significance, the Hawaii-based franchise L&L Barbecue created National Spam Musubi Day on August 8th, which was officially recognized by Hawaii's governor in 2021. As L&L expanded to the mainland, it helped introduce Spam Musubi to a wider American audience, and it is now a widely recognized symbol of Hawaiian cuisine. Typical preparation begins with grilling or frying slices of Spam, sometimes with a light teriyaki flavor. Using a mold the same size as a slice of Spam, often the can itself, a layer of cooked sushi rice is pressed down over a strip of nori with a slice of Spam on top of that, and then optionally, another layer of rice. The mold is removed and the nori is wrapped over the top and around the musubi. Guam's Pacific Daily News describes the local version. A slice of Spam is bathed in teriyaki sauce before topping a mound of rice with a dash of furikake and wrapped in a strip of nori. If you enjoy this video and want to see more like it about Hawaiian cuisine, both traditional and modern, click the subscribe and we'll see you next time. Aloha.